Markets have moved between gains and losses this morning as the US and Russia remain gridlocked over the Ukraine, but we are higher as we're coming into midday. Now we're joined by Matt Cheslock of Virtu Financial. Matt, what would you attribute this lack of direction and conviction that we're seeing in markets to?
I'll take this kind of move considering all the geopolitical stuff that's out there. So this isn't so bad. We're doing a little bit of consolidation after a good run-up that we've had in February. So all things considered, with the weather that's been out there and the airlines that have been affected in the geopolitical news, this is all right. We'll take this in the market.
Okay. Now we have seen some recovery in industrial commodity prices this morning after that poor export result from China yesterday. To what extent are Chinese growth concerns still weighing on sentiment?
Well, they're one of the biggest economies out there, so obviously it's going to have a major impact on what we've seen. We've seen the equities perform very well over the near term, so we're seeing a small retracement in that regard. But as far as what we're going to see out of it, I think they're one of the biggest consumers of gold out there. So we're going to see gold maybe trend a little bit lower if that number holds true. But we're seeing a nice bounce back today. So little mixed signals, but again, no one's really in here to buy right now.
Now, despite these daily ups and downs that we're seeing in markets, overall sentiment still seems to be quite positive. What's underpinning that?
Well, I think a lot of people are buying the dip still. We haven't gotten hurt doing that philosophy yet. A lot of people have forecast a move considerably higher toward the end of the year. So all things are still on track to do that. So until that's derailed, why not keep buying the dips, because that's a method that's worked.
Okay, great. Thank you, Matt. That was Matt Cheslock of Virtu Financial, and I'm Jane Searle for The Street.